Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everyone. Preston Vogl here with you in your Micros Market Recap at Target Trading Academy. Today is Thursday, November 18th. It is 3:32 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's get into it right with oil. Micro oil here, as you can see. If I scroll back here, we opened inside yesterday's range. Towards the bottom end, this is the contract low for the current market. And we had support off of this HVA level that drove up, met resistance, and then we fiddled around between these HVAs for a little bit before settling down at the very bottom of this HVA for the remainder of the day. Several opportunities to be had, whether you took them or not, at our HVA levels is up to the student and our methodologies. Moving on to gold. Gold had quite a bit of a burst after it opened. It opened in balance, not quite a large range from the previous day. Frankly, today's range, not much bigger. However, it did open at the point of control, shot down, rejected the low from yesterday, found support, and then came back into balance where it kind of just meandered through. Nonetheless, we had several opportunities for entries for our students, and if they took them again, it is based off of our methodologies, and if they chose to take them or not. We do not tell people to take any trades. It is always up to them. Now, our equities are still ticking here. Starting off with the ES before it closes, we did start our day just ever so slightly above yesterday's range. As you can see, the blue line here is the high from yesterday, and then we quickly went into balance to the point of control. Several opportunities, some trending, some off of our HVA levels for winners. I can see 3 total just by looking at this screen right now. It did make some new lows. We did have a ton of selling pressure step in, but then the buyers started putting their foot on the brake for those sellers. It slowed down, and then it climbed back up for the remainder of the day and just melted it way up. And it's right where we are now, above the open and above yesterday's range. Again, several opportunities for trades off those HVA levels. NASDAQ, similar story as the ES. Didn't get through the bottom of its range, though, unlike the ES. But it did go back to its point of control. Just scroll back here for you. As it opened gap up from its range, drove down, found support at our HVA levels for a nice reversal, and it went back up to above its opening, creating a new high for the day, and then ultimately coming back down to the point of control where it found support and no longer continued to be down there. And right now, you can see we are inching ever so close to 16,500. We're only about 18 ticks, or not ticks, but points away as it continues in this last 20 minutes or so. As far as entries, let's just go over a few for time's sake. Here's one from Morgan. It is one of those advanced entries. This is in the micro ES, up $80 live real money. And lastly, one from Roman, up 115 in the micro Dow, live real money. With that said, if you're interested in finding out what we do, how we do it, why we have so many live successful students in our rooms, come check us out. You can find a page on Facebook or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Get in touch with a representative. They'll gladly show you what we do here and why we are the #1 trading education group in the entire world. We look forward to seeing you in the rooms.